Hey there! Welcome back to Learn-2-Earn. If you're into trading, or just interested in understanding how our expectations shape the way we see the world, this video is for you. We're going to talk about how unrealistic expectations can derail your trading, and how you can develop a mindset that helps you navigate the market with confidence. Let's dive right in. Expectations are powerful. They shape how we see everything, including the market. When you expect something to happen a certain way, you start to see the world through that lens. But when these expectations are unrealistic, they can lead to emotional stress, frustration, and ultimately, poor decision-making. Think about it. Have you ever gone into a trade expecting to double your money overnight? It's easy to get caught up in the hype, especially when you see others making huge profits. But the reality is, those overnight successes are often the exception, not the rule. And when you set unrealistic expectations, you set yourself up for disappointment. We expect what we know or believe to be true. For example, if you've had a good trading strategy in the past, you might expect it to work again. And it very well might. But here's where the trouble begins. The market doesn't always behave the way we expect. It's like expecting traffic to be light just because it was light yesterday. Sure, it might be, but there are a million other factors at play. The market is constantly changing. New information, global events, even just plain old human behavior. All of these things can impact the market in unpredictable ways. Chapter 3. Why unrealistic expectations hurt your trading. So why do unrealistic expectations hurt us? Well, because when we expect something, we're essentially locking ourselves into one specific outcome. And when reality doesn't match our prediction, we feel betrayed or frustrated. This emotional roller coaster can wreak havoc on your trading decisions. When you're driven by emotion, you're more likely to make impulsive moves, chase losses, or hold on to losing trades for too long, hoping they'll turn around. It's like trying to drive with one foot on the gas and one foot on the brake. Chapter 4. How we protect ourselves. When things don't go as planned, we often rationalize, make excuses, or even ignore facts that don't support our belief. We might say, the market didn't go my way because of X reason, or it'll turn around any minute now. We all do it. This is called confirmation bias, and it's a powerful force. We tend to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs, even when those beliefs are wrong. And in trading, confirmation bias can be costly. It can prevent us from seeing the market clearly and making objective decisions. Chapter 5. Adopt a probabilistic mindset. So how do we overcome unrealistic expectations? The key is to shift from a deterministic mindset to a probabilistic one. Instead of expecting the market to behave a certain way, you can learn to think in probabilities. The market is unpredictable. It doesn't always follow a clear pattern. And that's okay. A probabilistic mindset means accepting that there's always an element of uncertainty in trading. You can't control the outcome of every trade, but you can control how you react to it. Focus on managing your risk, sticking to your trading plan, and making decisions based on logic and analysis, not emotion. Manage your expectations, manage your trading. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest expectation you've had about the market that didn't work out? Let's talk about it. See you next time.